Hello everybody, let's do OPOS Navaratan Kurma now. I'm starting with quarter cup water in the base layer. It's quarter cup water in the base layer. I'm going to add about 250 to 300 grams of chopped vegetables and fruits. I have pineapples, I have raisins, I have dates, I have carrot, beans and potatoes. All are juicy vegetables. Now I'm going to place an inner vessel, okay. Now I'm going to add some delicate vegetables to the inner vessel. This has some colored bell peppers and some peas, okay. About 125 grams of delicate vegetables in PIP, okay. So I have some ground nut paste with me. The nuts are ground with some caramelized onions, which I'm going to add on top of the vegetables. This nut paste will thicken up upon cooking. Okay, so I'm going to add some to the inner vessel. That's it. That's the layering. I'm going to wipe the base clean and load the inner vessel to the pot. Now make sure the lid is fit tight. Make sure the valve points straight and choose veg mode. Start and start a timer. This is the recipe I'm following for today. OPOS Navaratan Kurma. Prep blend 2 tablespoon caramelized onions, 20 to 25 numbers of cashews or quarter cup nut powder, 1 teaspoon each salt, ghee, half teaspoon each garam masala, poppy seeds, 2 green chilies into a thick paste. You might add a tablespoon or 2 of water if needed. Cookbot, layer as below. Layer 1 quarter cup water, layer 2 250 grams chopped mixed vegetables and fruits. I've used carrots, beans, pineapples, dates and raisins and sweet potatoes. Layer 3 PIP 125 grams chopped delicate vegetables. I've used peas and bell peppers, and layer 4 is the nut paste. Close, click menu and choose veg option. Once the bot beeps and displays off, release pressure. If released pressure, mix in quarter cup each cream and stock or milk or water. Pressure pin up 423, 1 beep 439. It has beeped off. I'm going to release pressure. Remove the inner vessel. See the nut paste has thickened up beautifully. So it wouldn't seep to the bottom. Okay. There's a tad bit of water, which is okay. This is anyway going to be a stew. I'm going to mix everything up so the colors have also been retained beautifully. This will be a light brown colored gravy. This stock, it's about quarter cup of stock. This is a 2 tablespoon measure, so I'm just going to add twice. Let's go 2 tablespoons. So this is thick cream. Another 2 tablespoons, total of quarter cup. This is more of a mildly spiced korma, okay? Not much of spices, just 2 green chilies and half teaspoon garam masala and ginger garlic paste. So if you add turmeric, you will have a nice yellowish color. This is the color of the caramelized onions. The caramelized onions are dark brown, so that brown tinge would have just made the white cream nut paste into a brown tinged one. Okay. So, you can garnish this with some ghee roasted nuts. Okay, so that's our OPOS Navaratan Kurma done and dusted. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.